Imagine a world where the quality of chemical products we use daily is compromised. Scary, isn't it? Quality control in the chemical industry is not just a good-to-have, it's a must-have. It's the invisible shield that ensures the safety, consistency, and reliability of the products that touch our lives every day. From the detergent that cleans our clothes to the medication that keeps us healthy, quality control ensures that these products do their job effectively and safely. What happens when quality control goes awry? The consequences can be dire. Poor quality control can lead to inconsistent products, safety risks, and even catastrophic failures. It's like playing Russian roulette with chemical products, a gamble no one wants to take. Quality control is undeniably a critical aspect in the chemical industry, but how can we improve it? Enter artificial intelligence. Let's delve into a real case study. Chemco, a global chemical company, faced challenges in maintaining consistent quality across its products. Chemco's struggles were multifaceted. The sheer scale of their operations often led to inconsistencies in their product quality. The traditional methods of quality control, largely reliant on human inspection and manual data analysis, were proving to be inadequate. The company was grappling with a high rate of product returns due to quality issues, which was negatively impacting their brand reputation and profitability. In a bid to overcome these challenges, Chemco turned to artificial intelligence. They employed AI in their quality control processes, integrating it into their production lines. This was a bold move, but Chemco recognized the potential of AI to revolutionize their quality control process. AI brought in a level of precision and efficiency that was hitherto unseen in Chemco's operations. Automated visual inspections replaced manual checks, reducing human error and increasing the speed of the process. AI also enabled real-time data analysis. This meant that Chemco could monitor the quality of their products in the production line, allowing them to identify and rectify issues as they occurred. But the true game changer was AI's predictive capabilities. Using machine learning algorithms,